Before a soccer event, I set up a camera. Not to film goals, to film what most coaches miss. This is the XbotGo AI sports camera. Let me show you what it actually sees. Inside the box, a remote control and a tripod. Setup takes under 2 minutes. Mount your phone. By the way, the tripod extends impressively high, making it perfect for capturing those unique angles. I didn't fully extend it here. For the number of kids I have, this is quite enough. Open the XbotGo app. Connect via Bluetooth. That is it. Don't forget to connect the remote. It can help you highlight moments during the game. The app supports over 20 sports, such as soccer, basketball, hockey, football, rugby, lacrosse. But I only care about one thing. Does it track what matters? XbotGo uses Follow Me 2.0 technology. It identifies players by appearance, body shape, even jersey number. It tracks the ball. It tracks movement. Here is why that matters to me. Most soccer cameras follow the goal. This camera follows the player. The quiet player making a run off the ball. The defender shifting their weight before the pass. The child solving a problem without asking for help. That is what I actually want to film. You can live stream directly from the app, edit highlights from your cloud or local videos, and there are no monthly fees. 20 gigabytes of free storage, no subscription. The battery lasts a full session. The tracking is smooth, but the real feature? It lets me stop holding the phone and start watching the game. On my analysis channel, I watch what defenders miss. On Soccer Game Lab, I watch what players become. This camera helps me do both. You watch the match. I watch the game. If you want to see soccer differently, not faster, not louder, but deeper, check the description box. Use my link and coupon code MATCH4SOCCER to get $10 off. Film what others miss. The goal is not the story. What happens before it? That is the game.